right, here we go. First time back in Grand Caymans in 6 years. Alright, so a quick tour around the cruise port here. Now this is not a very large cruise port. So most of the middle of it here is people waiting for their excursions. And I got some shops over here. Island gifts and apparel. Of course, I got the diamond stores, Cuban cigars. Work our way around. More jewelry stores, more diamond stores. The Grand Cayman General Store. And the duty-free store. Go upstairs to rent some bicycles. And that's pretty much all there is to the Caymans cruise port here in Georgetown. Like I said, it's really relatively small. Most anything interesting to do, of course, is going to be outside of the cruise port. But just wanted to give you guys a quick tour. I said, not a whole lot here, not real big.